and welcome to Astro Aarti channel. Today's video is all about planet Sun. We call Sun as planet in Vedic astrology. So basically Sun is going to change zodiac sign on 16th of July, and that's when the Sun is moving from Gemini to Cancer Rashi, and Cancer Rashi is friendly Rashi for planet Sun as it is his friend's Rashi. So he will be more comfortable. Basically Sun will be more comfortable, and how it's going to positively affect us. You must be thinking that why is she talking about planet Sun and planet Sun moving zodiac today? Because it has a direct influence on our lives. Because when the Sun is more comfortable, we will be more comfortable as well, because we will come out of the situation better, from the pandemic situation better, and also there will be more news about positive cases, like recovery cases, and the drop in the spread of corona significantly. So because of that, I'm referring to planet Sun, and I'm speaking about how Sun is going to change its zodiac sign, and again once it is in Cancer for 30 days it will be in Cancer, and then it will further move to Leo, which is its Mool Trikon or friendly Rashi. So there will be further reduction in the spread, and there will be positive cases and recovery cases as well in the month of August. And also basically Sun was with Rahu, its enemy Rahu. It was in Gemini. Sun was conjunct Rahu in Gemini Rashi for a while, for a month, and that's when we experienced or we witnessed solar eclipse. And as we know, this pandemic had started on solar eclipse in December 2019, and we witnessed another solar eclipse in June, and further there is one more solar eclipse coming in December 2020. So maybe by December 2020 we will be out of this situation, and economy will bounce back. We all will be in a much better situation. We all will be back to work, and our salaries will be back to normal. Whoever has experienced depletion or loss in salaries or reduction in salaries and benefits, that will also be it will be a positive news around our work. Also, the most important point is Rahu Ketu changing their zodiac signs in the month of September. End of September, by 23rd of September, they are going to their own Rashis. Rahu is going to its friendly Rashi, Taurus, and Ketu is going to Scorpio, that is his own Rashi. He's a co-lord for Scorpio. So basically all the alignments, planetary alignments are developing for the better in coming months. Also Jupiter and Saturn are retrograding at the moment, so by end of September Jupiter will be moving forward, which is again a positive sign for economy, as well as Saturn by October, somewhere in October Saturn is going to move forward. At the moment it's retrograding, so I'm expecting some positive changes in the world because of the positive alignments that are coming about. So I wish really well, and I'm very hopeful for all of us. And in the meantime, I keep on recommending try and do meditation every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes, or at least 5 to 10 minutes meditation. It's going to be it will keep you calm, and the feeling of calm at the moment is so important for us. Being in the attitude of gratitude and being thankful for all the past achievements is so important, because only by doing that we will stay positive and we will attract positivity. I know the year has been pretty harsh on all of us, but we have to come out of it stronger. So I recommend drink water, meditate, and write lines about what you feel thankful about. Make small notes in your mobile phone, or if you like pen and paper, write it down or pen it down, or just smile at everyone. Keep smiling as much as possible. I know times are tough, but still we have to come out stronger from the situation. And I wish well for all of you. God bless, take care, and namaste.